Welcome back, children, to this science lesson. I know that you have already studied the chapter Forest Animals before. Hope you are all clear about this chapter. Today, I have come to do some exercises with you based on this chapter. You will be able to find out that through these exercises, you can recall the lessons learned in this chapter. Now, children, please take out your exercise books and pencils to follow up on these exercises. So, are you all ready? Let's start. Listen to the first question. What are wild animals? Give some examples. What are wild animals? Give some examples. Answer is animals that live in deep and thick forests are called wild animals. Animals that live in deep and thick forests are called wild animals. Examples are lions, tigers, zebras, deers, etc. Lions, tigers, zebras, deers, etc. Question number 2. Name 3 animals that live both on land and in water. Name 3 animals that live both on land and in water. Answer is crocodile, tortoise, and frog. Crocodile, tortoise, and frog. Number 3. What are herbivores? Give 3 examples. What are herbivores? Give 3 examples. Answer is some animals eat grass, fruit, and leaves. They are called plant-eating animals or herbivores. Some animals eat grass, fruit, and leaves. They are called plant-eating animals or herbivores. Examples are elephant, deer, zebra, etc. elephant, deer, zebra, etc. Number 4. What are carnivores? Give 3 examples. What are carnivores? Give 3 examples. Answer is animals which kill or hunt smaller animals and eat their flesh are called flesh-eating animals or carnivores. Animals which kill or hunt smaller animals and eat their flesh are called flesh-eating animals or carnivores. Examples are lion, tiger, snake, etc. Lion, tiger, snake, etc. Question number 5. What are omnivores? Give 3 examples. What are omnivores? Give 3 examples. Answer is animals that eat both plants as well as animals are called omnivores. Animals that eat both plants as well as animals are called omnivores. Examples are crow, bear, rat. Crow, bear, rat. Question number 6. What are scavengers? Give 3 examples. What are scavengers? Give 3 examples. Answer is some animals eat the flesh of dead and decaying animals. They help to keep the forest clean. They are called scavengers. Some animals eat the flesh of dead and decaying animals. They help to keep the forest clean. They are called scavengers. Examples are leopard, vulture, hyena. Leopard, vulture, hyena. What are endangered animals? Give 3 examples. Question number 7. What are endangered animals? Give 3 examples. Answer is animals whose numbers are so less that they are at a risk of extinction are called endangered animals. Animals whose numbers are so less that they are at a risk of extinction are called endangered animals. Examples are tiger, Indian rhino, panda. Tiger, Indian rhino, panda. Number 8. Why are wild animals killed? Why are wild animals killed? Answer is many wild animals are killed by human beings for sport, food, or medicines. Many wild animals are killed by human beings for sport, food, or medicines. Now, I will give you some exercises to do. Please do it on your own. Where do the following animals live? Where do the following animals live? Bear, lion, rat, rabbit, bird, fish. Bear, lion, rat, rabbit, bird, fish. Now we will do fill in the blanks. Number 1. Forests are dash to many animals. Forests are dash to many animals. Number 2. Crocodiles live both on dash and in water. Crocodiles live both on dash and in water. Number 3. Snakes dash on land. Snakes dash on land. Number 4. Birds build different kinds of dash. Birds build different kinds of dash. Number 5. Fish have neither dash nor legs. Fish have neither dash nor legs. Number 6. All animals do not dash the same kind of food. All animals do not dash the same kind of food. Please circle the odd one out of the following. use color pencils to do it. Number 1. Tiger, goat, lion. Number 1. Tiger, goat, lion. Number 2. Vulture, penguin, hyenas. Vulture, penguin, hyenas. Number 3. Snake, butterfly, earthworm. Number 3. Snake, butterfly, earthworm. Number 4. Leopard, hyena, elephant. Leopard, hyena, elephant. Next, give 2 examples of each of the following. Number 1. Herbivores, herbivores. Number 2. Carnivores, carnivores. Number 3. Omnivores, omnivores. Number 4. Scavengers, scavengers. Now, match the animals in column A with their movements in column B. Column A. Fish, snake, bird, lion. Fish, snake, bird, lion. Column B. Flies, swims, runs, crawls. Flies, swims, runs, crawls. Now, the last exercise. Choose the correct spellings and underline. Choose the correct spellings and underline. Number 1. ANEMALS. ANIMALS. Number 1. ANEMALS or ANIMALS. Number 2. HERBIVORES or HERBIVORES. HERBIVORES or HERBIVORES. Number 3. CROWL or CRAWL. CROWL or CRAWL. Number 4. BURROWS or BARROWS. BURROWS or BARROWS. Number 5. THEAK or THICK. THEAK or THICK. So, up to here for today. Hope you will enjoy doing the exercises. Stay safe, stay at home. Goodbye.